On the 45th anniversary of the emergency imposed by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, BJP launched a scathing attack on the Gandhis. While Prime Minister Modi hailed those who fought to protect our democracy during the dark period, Home Minister Amit Shah hurled the one dynasty jibe. Congress hit back, saying that it was a government of two people right now.
भाइयों और बहनों, राष्ट्रपति जी ने
The occasion, 45th anniversary of what is called India's darkest hour, the emergency.
The President has proclaimed emergency. This is nothing to panic about.
जब देश में आपातकाल लगाया गया, तब उसका विरोध सिर्फ राजनीतिक दायरे तक सीमित नहीं रहा था, राजनेताओं तक सीमित नहीं रहा था, जेल के सलाखों तक आंदोलन सिमट नहीं गया था, जन जन के दिल में एक आक्रोश था।
Old wounds, old feuds, festering for 45 years. Politics was but expected as India marked 45 years of the emergency.
जिस तरह से लोगों को नियंत्रित किया गया, किसी को बोलने की आजादी नहीं, लिखने की आजादी नहीं और विरोध के निर्णय के देने की भी आजादी नहीं थी। लेकिन क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी के चरित्र में कोई बदलाव हुआ है? उस समय इंदिरा गांधी वॉज इंडिया, आज वो समझता है गांधी परिवार इज कांग्रेस।
जो देश के अंदर की समस्याएं हैं, वो बेरोजगारी हो, वो अर्थव्यवस्था की समस्या हो, उस पर भी आप सिर्फ कुछ वक्त तक पर्दा डाल सकते हैं। उसके बाद तो असलियत सामने आ ही जाती है, तो आप पर्दा कब तक डाल सकते हैं?
BJP Congress trading barbs with BJP leading the charge with the one dynasty jibe, hinting at the Gandhis, and Congress countering it with the two people only reply, hinting that this government is run by just Modi and Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah today tweeted to honor those who fiercely oppose the emergency. Alluding to the Gandhis, Amit Shah criticized one family for turning the nation into a prison overnight. Congress leader Randeep Singh Surjewala hit back at the BJP, saying, as India's ruling party, BJP needs to answer. Why is its majoritarian rule described as government of two people only and all others are mere sidekicks? Hinting at the Amit Shah-Narendra Modi duo. Further stating, why is horse trading, mass defection and institution capture its only legacy? Why is it obsessed in its wild hatred of Nehru Gandhis?
हमारे नेता हर दिन ट्वीट करके
From BJP's party president JP Nadda to Prakash Javadekar, tweets by BJP leaders came down heavily on the Gandhi family.
Shri Amit Shah ji has today indicated in the tweet and reminded that this emergency was imposed nothing but to express the absolute loyalty and contain the absolute power for one family.
25th June 1975 will go down in the annals of Indian history when in a single stroke, an announcement made by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi ushered in the darkest period for independent India. The emergency that lasted till March 1977 saw civil liberties being restricted, political dissent suppressed. The emergency, an albatross carried till now by a party hemmed by the then larger-than-life Gandhi and the family she left behind. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.